Hi, in this video the Legalraasta team will teach you all about the copyright registration in India, its definition and advantages. Now, what is the meaning of copyright registration? A copyright is a legal right given by the law to creators of literary, dramatic, musical and artistic works and producers of cinematograph films and sound recordings. Business entities often copyright instruction manuals, product literature and user guides. Copyrights are enrolled under the Copyright Act, 1957. Copyright give the owner of the work certain safeguard to ensure the intellectual work is protected and creativity is rewarded. Copyright registration has multiple advantages. Legal protection. Copyright registration gives the owner legal protection for his/her work. Intangible asset. An enlisted copyright is creation of intellectual property. Copyright work can be sold, franchised or commercially contracted. Trust or goodwill. Registered copyright can be used for marketing and creating a sense of goodwill and quality in the minds of your customer. Legalraasta can help you for copyright registration for just at Rs 5,899. You will need the following documents for registration of copyright: PAN card, ID proof, residential proof, passport size photograph. Also the following documents need to be attested before the submission: copy of work, certificate of incorporation. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. We can help you informing any type of business entity, example private limited company, LLP, filing individual and company return, helping companies for their compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. We are a trusted partner with multiple top-level expertise and affiliation, and yet cost-effective. So log on now at legalraasta.com to get your registration in copyright or mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.